Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Impreza S8. The customer reported that dry coffee was getting dumped in the tray, and also that there was no coffee coming out of the spout. We found that the machine needed a tune-up, and we also found that the old motor was bad for operating the brew assembly, so we replaced the motor. And let's go ahead and test the machine. You see we get a good shot of espresso. Check the steam. Steam works well. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.